YouTube, baby, what's good, man? We back with another video, baby. I need to go take my tires, get a rotation this morning. But right now, I'm finna go to the parts store because your boy leaking some power steering fluid bad, man. Like, I'm talking about bad, bro. Like, I already checked the level and everything. If I open up that cap, they're not really gonna be able to tell, man. But all those leaks over there that y'all see, there and there, man, some of it is dealing with my master cylinder. I know some of y'all like, dang, man, we gon' listen, man, I'm gonna get there, man. But right now, I'm just gonna have to make sure my fluids are topped off as far as the master cylinder and my power steering. But it seems like my power steering is leaking more quicker than what this is, man. So either way it goes, it look like I'm kind of low. But see, I got some in the trunk, so that's good. That's a plus right there. I got some in the trunk. About another hour and a half or so, go take these tires, get rotated and everything, because I'm like 2 months behind, so I'm gonna have to get that together, man. But let's go ahead and start this thing up, man. Y'all want to hear Goldi? Let's start her up real quick. Now, boy, she be running. I need to wipe her off a little bit. Yeah. Let me go ahead and make a trip to the park store real quick. To the old rally, baby. Alright, y'all, we back to crib, man. I got my fluid and everything, got my funnel. Looked up a price for another pump and everything. It's not too bad, but you know, when you're a family man, you know, this car stuff right here, this car stuff don't come first. My priorities come first. This always comes last. Sometimes it can be a little frustrating. It depends on what you need at the moment. But right now, it's just something mild in my situation. You know, as long as I top it off with fluid, you know, I should be good to go until I'm able to get such and such. It's not saying that I can't, but then again, I got other important things I need to take care of before I just do that. Because it's like, sometimes you got the funds for it. It's like you got the funds for it, but you really don't. And what I mean by don't, as in the funds is for something more important. Nothing dealing with car related stuff. Like I said, priorities always come first, man. This car stuff, it is my hobby, but this is not what comes first, man. I got 3 kids, I got a wife, you know, family, man. Do what I gotta do and everything. Just part of it, man. It's just life. But I'm gonna go ahead and top this thing off with fluid, and then I'm gonna see where the leak is coming from, man. So let me set this camera up. I'm loving it. Ooh, that's hot. she topped off the floor and everything. I checked up underneath the car to see if she's leaking anywhere. I can see like a slight leak, like draining down the pump, but I don't know exactly where it's coming from. So to me, it's telling me it's the pump itself. So nothing really major, just something really slight. You know, just as long as I top it off with coolant and everything, I'll be straight, man. But right now, I'm finna go ahead and top it off with some brake fluid, man, because I'm low on that too. But you know, just do what you can while you can, man. If you can do it, go ahead. If you can't, that's okay, man. I try my best not to get frustrated about it. Sometimes I do, but I'm not. I've been trying not to let it beat me up and get the best out of me, man. So let's go ahead and top this thing off. Woo. So I gotta get another bottle of this too. That's topped off. Alright, YouTube, we topped off, man. Look, what time is it? 8:41. They're gonna open up about 20 minutes. So we finna go ahead over there, man, get these tire rotation done, man, and go about our day. They done pulled the car in already, man. I don't think you mean. Man, I don't know. I may not even get lucky. Let's see what they going there talking about, man. Boy finna pull me in, man. Hold on. Finna pull me in, man. Hold on, Nicole. Hold on.
You're fine.
Get this little footage real quick. Ooh, that mug sound good, boy. I know he gonna get on it. There we go. Ooh, that front end sound bad. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. Get me on up in there. Yeah, man. Y'all see that she got up in there, man. Ready to go ahead and get her right. Ooh. Boy, that Caprice is something else, man. Gosh. What's up? Get me right. That back tire, I know I need some air in that back tire. Good service, man. Alright, y'all, man, we back, man. It's later in the day, man. It's 2:28. Got the tires rotating and everything. They put air in it. I was really low on my two front ones, man. Got me squared away and everything. Y'all see Goldi, she good. Hold on, let me pop the hood real quick. Let me pop that hood real quick, man. I know what I need to do. If I ain't doing that, I need to go ahead and clean up under here. Cause man, my engine bay looking dusty. I don't know if y'all can still tell by the gloss behind there and everything. You know, down there and all over there and stuff. But I had painted, but man, it don't look, it's not it ain't popping like it's supposed to, man. As far as that, man, everything else is good. Ain't nothing else wrong with it. Besides just clean up. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. See, I see the leak right there. Now she got a spot up on it. All right, YouTube, man, it's later in the day. As y'all can tell, man, sun went out. Sun went out. Sun went down a lot. It's currently 5:08 right now, man. Early this morning, like I said, got the tire rotation, everything, balance, and all that good stuff. You know, all that good stuff. Topped off my stuff with some fluid. It's always safe to keep that stuff in the trunk because you never know when you're gonna need it. We will be I can't even talk right now. We will be changing out that power steering pump. I can do it by myself. I mean, I done crawl underneath there and just see what I need to do. If I gotta change the lines too, I'll go ahead and do that too. You know what, matter of fact, I think I'm gonna do that anyway. Yeah. Why change one thing new and have one thing old? Nah, we going new all the way around, man. New lines, pump, everything. So I already got a price on it. So I already know what I'm looking at. Man, it was a busy Friday today, man. I'm talking about a lot of ripping and running around. I tried to hurry up and get back home after taking care of so much ripping and running around. Cause you know, it get dark early and stuff like that. So just want to give y'all some good footage, man, along having some good lighting going on too. So, oh man, look at Goldi, man. Man, hold up. Man, look at Goldi, bro. Don't mind that dent right there. Goldi looking good, man. One thing I am gonna look into doing for this on this car right here, man, I don't know. I want to switch out my tail lights. You know what I'm saying? I want them bright LEDs. You know what I'm saying? So I'm kind of stuck between going super bright LEDs or the Oxydo for this one and that side. I don't know, but yeah, both of my backup lights, they work. Yeah. And for the front, let me turn these headlights on. Oh man. And these lights right here, I do remember when I first got them. I mean, they was good and everything. It just seemed, oh man, that was, golly. Man, I always got to mess with this one all the time, man. But anyways, thinking about switching out my bulbs on this one too. As far as going from, I don't know if I want super bright LEDs or if I want the Oxydos. I'm not really sure yet. I know the bulb size I need. It can fit in the factory harness, so that's a plus. But I may want to just run a rewire, you know, so everything can be brand new and stuff like that. Yeah, that looked kind of dim a little bit. So I gotta play with that one. Hold on. I don't know. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, with these, man, you gotta play with them a little bit, man, for them to come on. Ooh-wee. There we go. I need all my lights working, man. All of them. As far as getting the old Goldi right, man, she, like I said, she got the full tire service and everything. Topped off with some fluid. So she good on that most part, man. So I don't think it's too much left to do. I was gonna clean up underneath my engine bay, but it's finna get dark and it's gonna catch me, so I don't think I'm gonna really have time. Because the way I like to do it, I like to take my time doing it right, make sure I'm getting all the spots and everything. So I know dark is gonna catch up with me. So yeah, man, that's it, man. Look, if y'all new to the channel, man, subscribe, like, do all that good stuff, man. I'm still dropping this content. YouTube got their own algorithm going on, whatever how you say algorithm. I can't even talk. Whatever the case is, it is messing with my numbers. I don't like it too much because I consistently post every single day. They go up and down. It's messing with my numbers bad, and I don't like that. Same thing with TikTok. You know, I'm posting consistently on there too, and it's still messing with my numbers and everything. So I'm just go ahead and keep doing what I'm doing, man, because one of these days it's gonna take off. I'm telling you, one of these days it's gonna take off. As long as I'm staying consistent and doing what I'm supposed to be doing. But oh, that's dude down the street. I'm finna say, man, I know when I hear a motor, I hear a motor now. When I hear something, I know what it is. Yeah, he got something in that thing. But yeah, man, I'm gonna keep on at it, uploading every single day. You know, because one of these days, like I said, man, something's gonna take off. Something big will happen, man. It's just I don't know when. I can't put a date on it. I can't put a time on it. I can't do none of that stuff. All I can do is just keep on posting every single day. As long as you posting every single day, you may gain five followers that day. You may gain 10 followers that day. You may gain 20 followers that day. Either way it go, man. Numbers going up, it's always mean that you're progressing, man. But your boy Chevy Church finna sign out, man. You know what I'm saying? So I'm finna go ahead and go in this house, play some Fortnite probably, and you know, knock some folks off in a little bit. So, but before I do that, before I turn this camera off, let me go ahead and give y'all a start real quick.